Best day everyone, I am Jermaline G. Sakaris from BSF 1B and we are Group 3 Rhizophora Munger. Biochemical cycle is the cyclic transport and transformation of chemicals in ecosystems that are strongly influenced by the unique hydrologic conditions and results in changes in the chemical forms of nutrients and also the movement of materials. So, ang biochemical cycle daw ay isang paikot na transportasyon at pagbabago ng mga chemicals sa ecosystem na malakas na naiimpluwensyahan ng mga natatanging kondisyon ng hydrologic at nagre-resulta sa mga pagbabago sa mga chemical na anyo ng nutrients at gayon din ang paggalaw ng mga materyales. And there are two principal components of biogeochemical cycle. First, reservoir component, a component represented by non-living entities. So, ang reservoir component daw ay isang bahagi na kinakatawan ng mga non-living entity. Then B, exchange pool component, component responsible in the exchanges of substance materials between organisms with their immediate environment. Then, ang exchange pool component naman ay isang component na responsable sa pagpapalitan ng substance o materials sa pagitan ng mga organismo sa kanilang agarang kapaligiran. Phases of biogeochemical cycle. First, gaseous phase, a reservoir in the atmosphere or hydrosphere and no exchange occurring. So, ang gaseous phase daw ay isang reservoir sa atmosfera o hydrosphere at walang palitan na nagaganap. Then B, sedimentary phase, a reservoir in the Earth's crust and has tendency to stagnate and lost in the cycling. So, ang sedimentary phase naman ay isang reservoir sa crust ng Earth at may posibilidad na tumimik at mawala sa pagbebisikleta. So, there are different forms of biogeochemical cycle. First, carbon cycle. Second, nitrogen cycle. Third, phosphorus cycle. Fourth, potassium cycle. And last, hydrologic cycle. So, ang carbon cycle ay it describes the process in which carbon atoms continually travel from the atmosphere to the earth and then back into the atmosphere. Then ang nitrogen cycle naman, a continuous series of natural processes by which nitrogen passes successively from air to soil to organisms and back to air or soil, involving principally nitrogen fixation, nitrification, decay, and denitrification. And ang phosphorus cycle naman is the process by which phosphorus moves through the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Then ang potassium cycle daw is the biogeochemical cycle that describes the movement of potassium throughout the Earth's lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. Then lastly, the hydrologic cycle. It involves the continuous circulation of water in the Earth's atmosphere system. Then, diversity richness refers to the number of species in a community and often includes some measures of their relative abundance. This aspect of diversity is sometimes called richness o kayamanan. In theoretical terms, one community may have more species than the other of the following reasons. So, A, one community may not have all the species that could live there. It is unsaturated, not all potential niches are filled. So, maaring wala sa isang komunidad ang lahat ng species na maaring maninirahan doon. Ito ay unsaturated, hindi lahat ng mga potensyal na niches ay napuno. Then B, one community may have greater range of one or more resources. So, ang isang komunidad daw ay maaring magkaroon ng mas malawak na hanay ng isa o higit pang mga mapagkukunan. Then C, species in one community may be more specialized than the other. In other words, they have narrower niches. So, ang mga species sa isang komunidad daw ay maaring mas dalubhasa kaysa sa iba. So, in other words, mayroon silang mas makitid na mga niches. Then last, species may share resources to greater degree. That is, there may be more niches overlap. With increased overlap, interspecific competition would tend to increase. So, ang mga species daw ay maaring magbahagi ng mga mapagkukunan sa mas mataas na antas. Iyon ay maaring mayroong higit pang mga niches na makakapatong. Sa tumaas na overlap, ang interspecific na competition ay malamang na tumaas. And that's all. Thank you.